tiny voices. I'm a scary monster.
Okay, who? This behaviour is not acceptable, and Mummy has asked you to go to the naughty step, so you need to go to the naughty step.
He needs to go to a naughty step.
Yes, to the naughty step, yes.
Naughty. So naughty.
Naughty behaviour.
You awful boy.
Hello?
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 Huh?
Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Huh? What's your name?
My name is Margarine Beeswax.
My name is Margarine Beeswax.
My name is Margarine Beeswax. I like
You become behind the scenes.
I like to eat faces.
Look at him. He's eating faces.
I like to eat faces.
He's eating faces. He just got caught.
I've lost where the face is.
He lost the faces. Not that I don't know what faces is. He's a very weird person sometimes.
I want to eat fecal. And one set of fecal instead of another one in pink.
Right, that's enough from him. He said he did little poop in the non-wadding pool in Victoria, so that's disgusting. Once my friend had to be evacuated from the pool because there was a poo in it. A floating poo.
There was a fecal incident.
No, but it was like floating underwater. Then here comes the big poo. It's floating in a pool. And they all went out.
Okay.
Out the door.
We need to go now to celebrate some things that recently happened in our lives.
Excuse me. I think we've had enough of you. Yo! Him!
You want me to show myself?
Ah!
You want me to show myself?
Nah. Why don't we just have fun looking up at the ceiling? Excuse me. But we don't need to see you. Caught once again. Why you're caught? I think he's just tired, so let's do some funny baby voices. Try not to laugh. He farted on Lee's face. He farted on Vicky Lee's face. Oh my goodness.
Oh no, I'm caught out.
He's naughty. Go to the naughty step. Bye for now.